Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review tutorial and giving you my thoughts on the new Revolution Pro Camouflage Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. So if you guys want to see how I got this flawless base, then keep on watching, and if you guys want to see exactly how full coverage this foundation is, then keep on watching again and I'll show you in this video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today, as you'll have seen by the intro, you know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm just super excited and I literally cannot wait to get into this. So today I am doing and showing you guys a tutorial, well, a review tutorial on the new Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. As you can see, I've literally not even opened it and I'm like so excited to try this. I have literally just recently done a review on the Revolution Concealer, the Camouflage Concealer, so you guys will see this probably before this video. So let me know your thoughts on that and also go check it out. The two shades that I've got is F10 and F12. I went based by the shades that I got from the Fast Base Foundation Sticks, as they are the same shade, just sort of rebranded their new products and also better products, I would say, because they're better quality. So I think my shade is between F10 and F12. I think it is going to be more F12. Yeah, that's a little bit too light. So F12, let's hope that this is right. Otherwise, we're going to have to go with the wrong colour. I think F12 is perfect. Okay, so first we want to prime. So I'm going to go in with the new Revolution Pro Pore Primer. Now this is something new from their collection as well that is just recently came out about a week or two ago, so I haven't tried this yet either. So we're going to see exactly how this works and how it is. I'm just going to apply it to my face. It is like a neutral colour, so let's hope that you can't see it. Don't even know how much to apply. It feels quite soft, but it's not as, like, it's quite light. It's very light actually. It has a slight colour to it as well, but as soon as you rub it in, it just disappears. Okay. After applying that, it was called the Pore Primer. I feel like it's literally smoothed over my pores that you can literally barely see them right now. I'm going to come closer to show you guys. It's literally just smoothed over my pores and it feels really nice on. As most of you may know, they released the Fast Base Foundation Sticks and they literally went viral. I literally seen them everywhere. I've seen so many reviews, so many videos. I did my own review on it as well, and I loved that foundation. It was really nice. It wasn't quite a matte foundation, it was quite dewy, but I did love it. It had good coverage to it as well, so I'm hoping that this Camouflage one is going to be even better coverage. So I don't want to keep talking, but I'm just going to go ahead and sort of start with this now. This foundation retails at, I think, £7. I think it's £7 that this was. So slightly more than the foundation stick, which was £4 or £5, I think. So I actually think this is my shade. I really don't know how much to put on because it's supposed to be full coverage. I've literally seen videos, reviews. I've seen what they put up on their YouTube channel, Revolution Pro, Makeup Revolution. I keep getting confused because they were Makeup Revolution and now they're Revolution Pro as they've rebranded. But Revolution Pro, no, they were Makeup Revolution. They've now went to Revolution Beauty, and Revolution Pro is the products that they've just launched. I think that's right. I think that is right. But I've seen how full coverage this foundation is and I'm like so excited to try it. I don't know whether to use a brush or a beauty blender. I'm going to try this side with a beauty blender. Whoa. I literally just took that tiny bit from there all the way up here. This has got coverage. Oh my gosh. This is like so full coverage. I think for quickness I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush and then go back in with my beauty blender afterwards. This is literally... This has so much coverage to it. I'm quite shocked at how much that has literally covered. I have scars on the left hand and the right hand side of my cheeks, and it has literally just covered that up flawlessly. Once I've applied this, I am going to come closer to show you guys as well so that you guys can see up close and personal how it looks on my skin. Wow. Okay, so compared to the Revolution Fast Base Foundation Sticks, this one is literally like, this is matte. Like the other one has got quite a dewy sheer finish to it. I mean, this one is slightly sheer, you can see, but it is a lot more matte than what the other one is. I feel like as well, as soon as you put powder on, this one will literally just set as matte. But I am loving how this looks right now. And I think this is the perfect shade for me as well. It was quite a nice match. I didn't add any of the lighter ones, so I think this one is a perfect match for me. Okay, so foundation is on. I am liking it. I'm going to quickly go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define. No. I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Concealer, the Camouflage Concealer. I have done this in... I've shown you like a full review on this concealer in my latest video, so if you haven't already seen that, then just go check it out and you can see exactly what this concealer looks like. As you can see already, it is like really thick. But to know if it is good coverage, check out my last video. Okay, so concealer on. I'm also going to quickly set under my eye. And getting the powder everywhere as always. All over my lap. All over my face. I'm also just going to quickly contour. I just prefer the darker shades, so... As I said as well in the last video, I didn't do any eye looks, but don't worry because I have got some of the Revolution Pro eyeshadows that I will be trying out in a video coming soon. Not in this video, because I literally just want to, like, I thought about doing a huge makeup haul of all the new Revolution Pro products. Like, I was like, I'm going to do a huge haul showing absolutely everything, but then at the same time, I thought some of these products people are more curious about than others. So with the foundation especially and the concealer, I feel like those two products were like the main priority, like the main sort of limelight is on those products because a lot of people wear foundation, well, most people wear foundation or a lot of people wear foundation and concealer, but there might be people who don't want to see eyeshadow reviews or whatever, they might just want to see the foundation. So I thought if I do the foundation review separately and also the concealer review separately, then people who just want to see that can, and then other people that want to see a huge haul showing everything can also see that. So I will be doing a haul as well. So please stay tuned for that because I will be showing you a massive haul on all the Makeup Revolution stuff that I've got, and I think that you guys are going to love it because some of the stuff that I got from Makeup Revolution is just like, it's just beautiful. Like the eyeshadow palettes are insane. The primers that they have, the lipsticks, like I will be showing you guys literally everything, so you may need to take a seat and get some popcorn or something for that one because it will be a long one, but for this one, it's just going to be a little foundation review. Okay, so foundation, contour, concealer, all done. So far, I am literally loving this foundation. Like I feel like this is the right foundation for me. It's a perfect shade. Full coverage, £7 foundation. That's even cheaper than the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay foundation, and I'm in love with that foundation. This one is £7, even though it is only like £3 cheaper. I know it's not a lot, but still, it is still cheaper. So if you do want to go for the cheaper option and something that is like still giving you full coverage and is looking flawless on your skin as well, then there's always this option. It literally feels so weird not having any eyeshadow or anything, just having a full face of makeup like this. It feels and looks so weird to me. Okay, so I know I've not done mascara or anything yet, but I'm just going to come closer and see so that you guys can see exactly what this foundation looks like on my skin up close and personal. Okay, so that's how the foundation looks up close. I really am loving this. Like, the coverage is like beautiful, it's flawless. I'm noticing as well that with this foundation, usually with foundation, as soon as I put it on, even if I put setting powder on, my smile lines come through like almost straight away. Sometimes not straight away, I mean it depends how long I set it for, but with this foundation, my smile lines aren't coming through as quickly as what they usually do, which I'm surprised about and very happy about, because we want them to be hidden for as long as we can. Oh, honestly guys, overall I'm loving this right now. It is so nice. Like, I'm loving the coverage. It feels really nice as well. Although it felt a little bit thick, it's not like uncomfortable. It still feels like I don't have much makeup on, which is really strange because it's a full coverage foundation and not much is coming out of my fingers as well when I do dye my face. As I said as well, when I put the powder on, it's literally just turned that foundation completely matte. Like, there is a slight shine to it, but I think that is more down to the lights that I'm using like in front of me, but literally it has turned this foundation quite matte now, and I actually love how it looks. I'm gonna quickly go to camera, do my lashes, and then come back to let you know how overall I feel about this foundation. I think you already know, but I'm just gonna go out back quickly and then come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. And I've got to say, I literally love how this foundation looks. Like, I'm super impressed with it. The Revolution Pro products have launched, they launched like 45 products, and I will be showing you a lot more from Revolution Pro. So if you guys want to see a lot more of these products, then stay tuned to my channel. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll be showing you guys a lot more, so stay tuned, keep watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you for another video.